ba yan? Hindi mo ito, may narangan mo.
Wait lang. Lo, ang ganda ko dito. Sino ka dyan?
Hello everyone!
Hi! Welcome to... Saan ba tayo?
Sikihor! Nag-isip din ako eh.
Sikihor!
Hello guys!
Yun na nga, guys. Kasi nga, may nakita kami dito.
Yeah, like, medyo gwapo. Pero, you know, like, hindi kami interested sa mga ganun. We're not easily tempted. Ay! Ayun! Good job, everyone. Ang ganda, no? Hello! Life update. So, we're actually here at, I forgot the name of the beach, but it's actually 50 pesos. Probably like 30 minutes away from our accommodation, right? Yan. Okay, let's have a question and answer. Okay. Let me start. So, good afternoon, everyone.
Yes.
So, welcome to our vlog. It's Chupetas. Chupetas 1-on-1 and your host for this afternoon. So it's Val Delicious Talks. Val Delicious. I suppose this is Fruitful Talks, right? It's like a Tony Talks with my different versions. So I'm with me right now is no. You're not. Again, you're Chupeta. You're my guest, right? You're Chupeta, my guest.
No, who's Chupeta?
Chupeta yung video, di ba? Chupeta
Edit
yung
mo yan.
I'm so sorry.
Edit pa yan.
Okay.
Di ba ipopost?
She's not actually Chupeta, though I get ko naman guys na kamukhang-kamukha niya. Pero sorry sa mga na-disappoint, hindi talaga siya si Chupeta. Kamukhang-kamukha niya lang.
Baka ma-offend pa si Chupeta sa akin ha. Sorry kaya naglagay na rin ako ng earrings para
Ma-distinguish
identify
siya.
mo.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, na disclaimer lang guys. Yan.
Yeah, so we're very honored to be with our one and only
First honor.
none other than Miss Annabelle Yamba.